What is going on, guys? Today we are unboxing the best helmet in my opinion. The helmet is the same that I got on right now, but this is brand new. We're gonna unbox it so you guys know everything that came up with it, and we're gonna do something that no one has ever done in a different channel before. We're gonna do a crash testing on this helmet and see how it holds up, so stay tuned for that. Adjust the visors easily in different styles, different designs, different colors, so it's completely personalized for you. On top of all of that, it's lightweight. You can also use the clear visor in case you guys don't want to use one of the darker or the design ones. So code Urban Rider. Oh, see this bad boy. ILM Racing. Oh wow, it comes completely protected. The helmet, I don't really know what this is. Oops, balaclava, instruction manual, stickers, so fog resistant lenses. This is gonna be super useful. Put these on in a little. It's like a visor. Oh, look, 2 visors. Let's check them out. Next to the trash. Let's check it out. Oh wow, look how glossy it is. This is sick. The model of the helmet is the ILM MF509. By the way, I have a discount code for any ILM helmet. These helmets come on so many different colors and you can customize so many different visors for it. So you can have this one with the blue visor on, with the black visor, with the orange, and all of the different designs. And as you guys know, it comes now with the fog resistant lens. So it comes with a sunlight UV protection. This helmet already feels so light compared to my old helmets. This is the main reason I bought it. Let's check out the visors that came with it. Let's open up this one. This looks really, really cool. Looks out. Comes with its own little like ski mask. Woo! So the way that you remove the visor, they made it super simple. You basically just pull out these little things and just rotate them like this. And that's it. And that's it. Just like that. Isn't that amazing? If you're only doing daylight riding, this is a great helmet. It's dark, it protects you from the sun. If you're doing night riding, this one's the one to go because it's completely colorless. And if you're doing a little bit of both, I would recommend this one because it's not as dark where you can't see at night, but it protects you still from the sun. It has these vents over here, so airflow for your head. So we're gonna put on the helmet that I like the most and we are gonna test it out. Looks sick. I love it. This is my new style. Although, let me check out the orange one. Because, damn, this visor also looks amazing. Man, this helmet feels amazing. I cannot describe you guys. First of all, it has like the extra view. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but the normal ones that go like this, they like have less peripheral view than this. This is a little bit extra, like about 20% extra view, so you really appreciate it, especially when you turn left and right. You don't have to go like all the way around. You can see it with this part of your eye, so it's pretty easy to look around. I'm stopping the video just to let you guys know that this fall actually happened a week before this, but ILM was kind enough to send me a replacement after finding out about my fall. So this is the video I'm making. Shout out to ILM and let's keep watching. It sucks. Totally my fault. Bro, this helmet is brand new, bro. Oh man. Saved my ass though. I landed on my face. Clear. You can see it right here. It saved my face from breaking my nose. But man, that sucks. And it was such a dumb fall.
3 weeks later.
Man, the helmet is super light. If you guys are gonna plan on getting a helmet, because it's so light, I cannot stress this enough for you. I never had a helmet this light. It's DOT certified, completely safe. It's what you need to get on the road. You can use this for a real motorcycle, for a Suron. It's more than perfect. You won't need any other helmet in your life, believe me. By the way, if you like my gloves, I also have a discount code for this. Now we're gonna do a little test to see how lightweight it actually is. Jump here and jump. Man, it feels amazing. It's not heavy at all whatsoever. It's super light. Man. If you found this video helpful, and if you're trying to find a new helmet, you want to buy a helmet for your motorcycle, for your e-bike, for your e-moto, this is the best helmet you're ever gonna need. Also, if you like this type of videos, if you want me to review more things and the things that I actually trust, I will never show on my channel something that I don't trust. Please be safe. Don't get distracted with your visor like I did. That's how I ended up falling and hurting myself. Always use protective gear. It literally saved my face and saved my nose from breaking. I would have broken my nose, I would have scarred in the face, would have been weeks out of commission, but thanks to the helmet, I was perfect, I was good, and nothing serious happened to me. And I just don't want anyone else to experience something similar without a helmet. I'm so glad I had a helmet. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what other products I should review, and yeah, catch you guys later. Felt that one right in the concrete too. Like I should have fell towards the grass, but I didn't want to fall in the water, so